ito na yung time natin for a Q&A. For people who are really curious about your collection, we do have a couple of questions. So our first question, you may introduce yourself, publication, and then the question.
Hi, Belle. Congratulations. I'm Kate from Random Republica. I'm Kate from Random Republica. What excites you most about launching the second collection, and how different is this from the first one?
I think this one kasi, now that it's summer, it's the perfect season nga to play around with colors, with hues, with textures. And I think for this kasi, parang medyo mas naging vibrant yung colors ko. And at the same time, it really fits the season. And I think really for me, kasi my sense of fashion really depends on my mood. And this is me now. So I think that's what makes it different, and it's so beautiful because I get to express myself through this collection.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Wonderful answer. And pa-follow up lang, baka did you feel like there was a growth from the learning from the first collection and now?
Yes, now kasi parang mas hindi na ako takot to explore colors now. Diba? Kasi, di ba gusto ngayon yung parang what do you call that?
Color analysis.
Color analysis, diba? So parang now, I get to play with my like yung color analysis, mag-play ako ng different kinds of design. So it's so nice now that I get to do that, and I'm mas confident na ako.
I love it, and I love na alam mo yan kasi sa collection, gusto mo pa yan ng lahat. So you want to give them all options to look great. I love that. I love that answer. Any questions? Any follow-up? No, we have another question.
I'd like to know what the collection reflects your personal style.
I think this collection really reminds me of flowers. Yeah,
I guess may rose na.
yeah, and it's so light, it's color, it's vibrant, and I think that's my state of mind now. It's just really vibrant, and hopefully through this collection I get to inspire people to bloom. To bloom. Wow, yes, and to also dress up as as vibrant as they want to, and be comfortable with what they're wearing. So I hope I get to inspire them through this collection.
I love it. Blooming sila with your collection. I didn't know that. I was inspired by flowers. And yun nga, sa summer na, parang
Colors, diba?
True.
Colors ng summer, merong sunset, like
Yes.
yellow, sky, blue.
Oh, I
So
love
I really
that.
wanted to play around those colors.
Oh my god, that is so cute. Really great question. Thank you for that question. Next up.
Hi, Belle. Good afternoon. When did you realize na you're into fashion? And ano yung mga parang combination go-tos mo? Example, go to the beach, go to the malls, ano yung mga combination?
For me po, getting into fashion, I think, basta pala baby pa na ako, mahilig na ako. Maarte po kasi akong bata.
Okay lang.
Mahilig talaga ako mag-dress up, mag-style. Dati nga, alam niyo yung mga paper dolls?
Yes.
Like, gumagawa ko lang before with my mom. So, I really, and Barbie before, I used to dress them up. So, I'm really into fashion growing up. And also, because of my stylist, Miss Adrian Concepcion, she really inspired me to dress better and to like, just put myself out there. Don't be scared to dress up the way I want to. So, I think that's me, like, being more, self-aware and confident in terms of that.
And also, you're an actress, a creative person, God.
Yes.
And it's really nice that you mentioned na you did play paper dolls because that's how you created or unleashed your creativity nung bata ka pa.
That's true. And parang parang self-expressive po kasi ang fashion for me, di ba?
Yeah, Miss Universe answer. Thank you so much, Miss Belle, for that and letting us into that side of you also na nailabas natin sa collection na to. And we can't wait to see more of that. And I think we have time for one more question. Yes.
Hi, what was it like working with Shein on this second round?
I love Shein. I love Shein. Honestly, before pa nila ako kumin, I really use Shein all the time, most especially during the pandemic.
Ilang hours ka?
Ilang
Sumakit
hours
na ba yun?
namin naman ng partner. So, they're very supportive in terms of, curating these outfits with me. And it's so nice because I get to, with the variety of clothes and Shein, of shoes, everything is there. It's so nice that I get to play around. Just through my phone, diba? And anyone can do that. So they're really supportive in terms of this collection. And I just want to thank my Shein family, of course, for giving me this opportunity to curate my own styles.
I love that. And alam mo, naalala ko pa yung first collection mo. Nabili ko ngayon damit. Mayroon ako isang damit na din na nakuha from your first collection.
I love that.
And I feel like ito yung mangyayari sa akin din ngayon. It's not just a one-time thing.
Diba?
Yes.
Iba-iba siya. Yung first collection ko, more into like parang ruffles.
Yes. Ako yung may tassel. May
Yeah,
tassel yung
diba?
mga.
Pero ito naman, medyo mas laid back, medyo tight-fitting dress.
Yes.
Ano, medyo parang, what do you call this? Yung slip-on na
Yes.
very on-the-go, but put together.
And nice na dati sa pandemic, you nag-scroll ka, wala pa picture mo. Ngayon, andito na lahat.
Grabe na.
Love it. Let's give it up for Belle Mariano, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan, sa screenshot ko na sa iyo mga nakikita ko mga photos mo dyan later. But now that we have first played our first game, nag-break tayo ng slide muna. And we're ready for our second and final game for today. Okay, madali lang to, Miss Belle. It is called Belle's Mystery Box. Okay, so we will be requesting 5 participants to come up here on stage. This is your mystery box, Belle. So you may stand beside our mystery box. Yes, you can go ahead, take a peek para makita mo po. And let's call our 5 participants here on stage. Come on down. Ito po yung mga 5 fans natin. Okay, let's have you here. Parang nasa likod kayo here. But you are here, front and center. Okay? Okay, for our 5 Belle Mariano fans here on stage, they have a paddle. Yung paddle po nila, nakasulat po sa one side, check. The other side is X. So Belle, you may go to your mystery box. And what you will do is to pick out one item from the mystery box and raise it up. And then our fans will think, okay, parang if you're a stylist, and since fan ka nga ni Belle, susutin ba ito ni Belle? Will she like this piece? Check or X? Yan lang po, okay? Okay, so Belle, pick your first item. Ay! Ang cute. So that, well, ako, I feel like it's so cute. But will Belle wear or style this outfit for something? Yung answer po natin, a resounding check. Is it a check for Miss Belle Mariano?
And I love flowers. So here.
Oh, Miss Belle, thank you so much. Akin na to.
Fine.
Hala. Okay, ang galing ng ating style detectives. Let us pick our second piece from Belle's mystery box. Hala, meron bang dagdag?
Iba pala.
Sabi niya, ang dali daw ng answer. Dagdagan pa naman natin ng mga pieces. Baka each item, ako may special box pala tayo. Ayan. Next, in the mystery box, ano po nandyan? Wow. Okay, let's go. Okay. What is the item that you will pick, Miss Belle? Let me help you with your mic. Ayan. This top, we have this, not just one. Belle wanted one outfit. Okay. Yan talaga, pa-star talaga, I love it. So this is what she picked. Okay?
Yeah. I think it's a set inside.
Okay, so set talaga siya.
And then there's bags.
Okay, yan lang yung hint ninyo. So check or X. Ayaw na nila. Alam na nila. Tingnan mo to. Confidence na niya. Ang dali naman
Hindi
to.
nyo ginagano. Ganyan na
Game ba to? Game ba to? So is it a check for Miss Belle?
Yes.
Check na check.
Alam mo kung ano siya? Pang everyday. Pang casual.
Talaga? Pakita nga. Ay, salamat ha. Ay, thank you po ha. Ay, ibay talaga po ni Miss Belle. Okay. O, swerte po. Pagpadala sa bahay ko, ang address ko dyan. Okay. Our next mystery box po. Gusto ko ito ba? Akin na yan. Ayan. We have this. She's picking out this and another thing. Dapat wala kang face expression, baka napapahalata ka, ha? Sabi, dali-dali naman ito. Yung sabi ng isa, ay, alam ko na ito. Absolutely, di ako papalit. Okay, this is what Belle picked. Okay. This is it, okay? Oh, finally, meron tayong different answers. Check XX. Check X. Ang answer,
Wait lang, I can't say no to this. Meron ako nito.
pero pala,
Pero wala ko sa collection.
wala siya sa collection. So,
Pero
baka,
ako skirt.
pero, so ito pala yung box mo. Ito pala yung kinuha po natin sa bahay mo kanina. Sorry pala, ha? Ito pala. But the answer is,
I'll probably wear this, pero wala siya sa collection.
pero wala. So, parang extra collection muna siya. X dahil na sa collection.
Yes,
Wala siya sa
pero I'll
collection.
wear this.
Pero check out ninyo.
Check out niyo.
Correct. Alright.
Bagay siya sa ano, itong color, bagay siya sa brown.
And okay, so let's have that. So we have those answers. I think we have one final box. Meron tayong one final box to ask for our mystery items from Shein. Sir, ito din ha. Balikin ko na sa bahay ko. Salamat. Thank you po.
Dami na!
May discount yung checkout ko po natin ngayon sa ibang box. Yung blue box sa akin. Thank you po. Ay, hindi na talaga ako mag-react, no? Ang cute din ang pinili ko. I love that. She's giving her flowers. Ayan. Let me help you with this. So we have a skirt with a little bit of a frill at the bottom. Ay, naming frill. Ay, cute. Okay. Bawal din pala ako mag-react. And then on top. Ay, gusto ko itong grabe. Pa-check out na ako. Okay. Pero parang check lahat sila. What is the answer?
Yes!
Oh my God! It's so cute. Yung grabe. Yung top.
Ng color.
Oh my goodness. Kasama na yung flower. Hindi yan extra ha. Okay. Wow. Oh my God. Okay. So it is a check. And why you piece them together in this top? Is there any explanation for this top?
It's so nice kasi I love the color green. And nagiging mo na skirt, no?
So maglakad sa beach bigla. Tapos wrap around. So very airy, breezy. I love
Parang
that.
sarap maglakad sa beach with this outfit.
Ayan na. So thank you po sa mga pag-gift natin, Miss Belle. ha? Thank you so much sa bag, sa outfit, sa dress po. Mag-picture na muna kayo guys dyan. Kapag mag-check out ako. Let's have a photo in the center because we will all award you guys with prizes for joining our game today. So go ahead, let me take care of this box. Alright, let us clear it out and let us have a photo in the center with all our fans. Your prize you may collect as you exit our stage later on.